Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering down and unplugging the keyboard. Safety first. Remove the keycaps using a puller, working outward from the center so stems aren't stressed. Once done, inspect the switches and stabilizers for damage and note which switches need replacement. If your board is programmable, export the current layout now so you can restore it later. Make sure to keep screws in a small container and photograph the original row order to speed reassembly. Next, handle the mid-stage, removing and replacing switches. If it's hot swap, pull the switch straight out. If it's soldered, desolder with a controlled iron and desolder pump. Install new switches by aligning pins and seating fully. For long keys, remove stabilizers, clip any factory legs if needed, lightly lube pivot points, and reinsert so travel is even. Once assembled, reconnect and use a key tester to verify each switch registers. Repeat adjustments until all keys respond cleanly. Finally, finish by reinstalling keycaps in the correct rows and columns, pressing evenly to avoid tilting. Plug in the keyboard and load your saved key map, or remap problematic keys using manufacturer software. This explains why physical changes also need logical confirmation. If a key fails, make sure its switch is fully seated and pins are straight. If soldered, reflow the joint. As a key troubleshooting tip, check both the switch connection and the PCB, trace continuity before replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.